Why does your scanner show the P2767 engine code? What does it mean? P2767 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine shaft speed sensor B circuit no signal. This engine code indicates that the ECM or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is not receiving a signal from the input or turbine speed sensor B. This sensor is crucial for the transmission's ability to shift gears properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Speed sensor problems, transmission fluid problems, internal transmission issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Nissan, and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.